Well, we have question 3 here. That says in the diagram below, P, Q, R, and S are the vertices of a quadrilateral with PS parallel to QR. M and N are the y-intercepts of QR and PS respectively. PS produced cuts the x-axis at T. Now, in the previous video, we did question 3.1 all the way through question 3.4. Now we're going to do question 3.5. That says calculate with reasons the size of R and S rounded to 1 decimal place. All right. Okay. I'm going to draw a vertical line here. Okay. Just to show the angle that we need to calculate. Okay. This line passes through N and R. So we are asked to calculate the angle RNS, meaning we need to find this angle over here. Okay, that's the angle RNS, the angle that I'm going to highlight. Okay, maybe that's just this angle. Yes, this angle here. That's what we need to find. All right, I'm gonna move my board over here. Let's say the question 3.5, we want to calculate the angle RNS. Okay. All right. Let us redraw the same graph over here. Excuse me. Now, we need to find this angle. Okay, I'm going to draw my line again over here. Okay. So we need to find the angle N, R and S. So this angle, basically, this angle. Okay, R, N, S, to find that angle. Yeah, this one. Now, how can we do that? First, we know the gradients of this line that passes through RS, okay, or even to RT, okay? We know the gradient of this line. We found the previous question. We did find that PT is equal to -1/2. Okay, if you remember the previous video, we did it. Let's move. If we did find RPT to be equal to -2/4, yes, which is a half. Okay, I did it somewhere here. We can work it out. This is -1/2. Okay, so now MPT is equal to -1/2. Now, what else do we know then? If I need to find the angle, this angle. Why am I saying that? Because if we can find this angle, we can find that other angle here. Okay, we can find that this angle by calculating tangents, because it's given that the gradient M is equal to M equal to 10 of theta, right? 10 of the angle. In other words, 10 of the angle will be equal to M, and we can find the angle if we do if we work out the, okay, let's just say 10, so meaning 10 of that angle is equal to M, which is -1/2. So now we can press in the calculator to work out 10 minus 1. To find theta, we're going to just say 10 minus 1 of -1/2. Okay, pressing this in the calculator, we get 10 theta will be equal to 153.4 degrees. Okay, so this is a negative angle. Okay, let's just take in the calculator quickly. If we just press 10 minus 1 of -1/2 of -1/2, we have like -26.50 whatever we got here. So to find the actual angle, we can just plus by 180. Okay, to find this is equal to 153.43 and stuff and stuff. So these are, how much was it again? 43, okay? I'm just gonna start by 153.4 degrees. Now, I know this angle, but I need to find n. How can I do? Okay, if I find this angle, I can find this other angle, as I said earlier. I can find this angle too, this angle here. I can find that angle. How? If I do 180 minus 152, because the whole angle here will make 180 degrees. So this angle here will be the angle okay, it's here T1, we call it T1. T1, okay, angle T1 will be equal to 153.4 minus, okay, not exactly that, but I meant just to write here, angle T1 will be equal to 180 degrees minus 153 degrees. So T1 will be equal to 26.6, okay, 0.6 degrees, such that, okay, if this is 26.6 degrees plus 153 degrees, that's 153.4, 153.4, and that's 26.6. Altogether makes 180 degrees. Okay. The reason is here angle in the straight line. Okay, angle in the straight line. Now we can notice that the same angle here in the straight line and this other angle, okay, alternates the alternate angle, because this is a straight line that passes 3.2. Remember the previous video we find n. N was the line that passes through 2, the y-intercept. This n was equal to 2, okay? And then 2, the passes also through another 2 here. It means that this line is horizontal, okay? Now, and then horizontal lines are parallel to the x-axis. So we have 2 parallel lines here and the transversal, which is PT. Then we can say, okay, the 2 lines here, T1 and N, I can call it N1, are alternate angle. Therefore, we can say okay, I'll say over here, N will be equal to T1. The reason is alternate angles. Alternate angle. Therefore, N equal to 26.6 degrees. Thank you.